Mao nang ma-hate ko aning ubang mga tao sa wayon nimo, damak kayo ka, masuko, manimalos, malain. Tanaw ng klase nga pride, manang di mo muswag yun na mo. Ang pride nato naa sa atong mga gibuhat. That's why the Father said, let your light so shine upon men. Ipakita gid na sa so shine upon men that they may see your good works, your excellent works, and what? And glorify your Father who is in heaven. Nagingon ba diya nga, let your light so shine upon men that they may see your lousy work, that they may see your inefficient work, that they may see your incompetent work. Mawalang isulti diya. And glorify the Father which is in heaven. Can the Father be glorified by incompetence? Can the Father be glorified by inefficiency? I'm talking to the whole kingdom nation. You should set your mind to this level of excellence because that is what pleases the Father. We are not perfect. This is not perfection that I am talking about. This is excellence. And excellence can be achieved by any one of us when we set our mind to it. Pagka nagbuhat ta para samahan, makalipay, walay masaway, abri mong utok, makuti ka pag-abot sa trabaho, kamo makuti mo pag-abot sa chismis, pag-abot sa mga gossip, pag-abot sa mga hatod-hatod ng istorya, abdi kayo mga dalunggan ninyo. Bisan dili tama, paminaw, nunya mahimong gospel sa ilaha. Mo na mudulot sa ilang kasing-kasing. Tudluan nimo sa trabaho, mura gisilutan. Koreko nimo kay mahimong excellent, mura gipapasaan og kanang 5 tonelada. Maot na kayo ang naong. Dili una na ang atong batasan. We aim always for excellence in everything we do to glorify the Father Almighty. Pagkag-i-assign mo kay anak na mo sa amahan, so sa kabutang, the Father can give you wisdom overnight. Look in the Temple of Solomon, when they were building the Temple of Solomon, He assigned to them 70 craftsmen that don't know carpentry, that don't know silversmithing, that don't know how to work with gold and silver. Overnight, pagkagabi, Solomon prayed. And then overnight, the Father gave them the wisdom to do that in excellence.